Hey everyone, and welcome to my Comcast Xfinity Internet review. Links to their services are down below. Xfinity offers a variety of internet plans, from casual browsing to intense gaming and streaming. Speeds range from 75 megabits per second to over a gig, perfect for any size household. Their hybrid fiber-coax network delivers reliable performance, ideal for remote work, video conferencing, and online gaming. The Xfinity XFi gateway combines your modem and router, supporting Wi-Fi 6 for faster speeds and better connectivity, especially in larger homes. Manage your network easily with the XFi app, with parental controls, device monitoring, and troubleshooting at your fingertips. Xfinity also includes advanced security features like XFi Advanced Security, protecting your devices from cyber threats at no extra cost on eligible plans. Xfinity is great for families, gamers, and smart home enthusiasts. If you stream 4K, play competitive games, or use multiple connected devices, their higher-tier plans are a good fit. For casual users or smaller households, their lower-tier plans offer affordability and reliability. Be aware of the 1.2 terabyte data cap on most plans. Heavy data users might consider unlimited data. Customer service reviews are mixed, so be prepared to be proactive. Overall, Xfinity delivers fast speeds, versatile plans, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a casual or power user, Xfinity has reliable internet options for your needs. Check the links below for more details and to find the perfect plan.